Jobbatical online job platform review, usage experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Jobbatical, a unique online job platform that focuses on connecting talent with global opportunities, particularly for those looking to relocate or work remotely. You'll find links to the platform in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Jobbatical specializes in connecting professionals with international job opportunities, making it perfect for those who want to work abroad or explore remote work with companies from different parts of the world. The platform offers positions in various industries, including tech, engineering, design, marketing, and sales, with an emphasis on positions that require relocation or remote flexibility. What sets Jobbatical apart is its focus on cross-cultural experiences. It's not just about finding a job, it's about helping people embark on life-changing experiences in new countries. The platform features an intuitive search engine that allows users to filter job listings based on location, skills, and company culture, making the process of finding a match simple and effective. Another great feature of Jobbatical is its emphasis on employer transparency. Companies are encouraged to showcase their culture, values, and what they offer to potential employees, providing a deeper insight into what working there would really be like. Additionally, Jobbatical allows users to browse relocation packages, which can be a deciding factor when considering a move abroad. One downside to Jobbatical, however, is that while it offers a great variety of international jobs, it might not have the same volume of listings as some larger job platforms. Jobbatical tends to focus more on high-quality, curated opportunities, which may limit the number of choices for job seekers compared to more general job boards. In conclusion, Jobbatical is a great platform for those seeking international career opportunities or remote positions, especially if you're looking to relocate or gain experience working in a different country. With its focus on career growth and cultural experiences, it stands out as a unique option in the remote job market. Be sure to check out the links in the description and start exploring the global opportunities on Jobbatical today.